Hello friends, do you want to change the background of any image or picture in just one click?
What? Are you comedy me?
Yes, in just one click from this to this and this to this. Then this video is especially for you. So please make sure that you watch this video until the end, because today in this video I will be showing you two of the easiest tricks to remove the background of any image within just one click. So let's start. Okay guys, out of two ways of removing background from any image in just one click, let's dive into the first one, and also don't forget to watch the second one, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay guys, I'm here on my mobile screen and I have opened the Google Chrome app here. And to remove the background of any image, you have to go to this website called remove.bz. And after the website is loaded, you will see like this structure, and just click here on upload image and select the any photo of which you want to remove the background of, and then click here done. And after that it will take some time to upload the photo.
A few moments later.
And lastly, after taking some time, you can see the photo background has been completely cleared, and you can just click the download button to download your photo. So guys, as you have seen in method 1 how easily we have removed the background of any photo by just uploading it to the website remove.bz. And now in method 2 we will be using an app to remove the background of any photo. So please make sure that you watch the method 2 also. Now let's dive in. Okay guys, in this method 2 we will be using an app called background eraser to remove the background of any photo. So you can just go to the Play Store or check the description below and download this and open this and click here on load a photo. And after that choose any images you want to remove the background of. I will choose this image. You can see it has only one color background and it is very fine. And to remove the background of this kind of photo, just click here auto and click on the background, and you can see background has been removed. And you can just click here done and set this smooth to 5 and just save this image. But guys, if you want to remove the background of this kind of photo which has a colorful background and different objects in the background, then you have to do all things manually in this app, which can be more time consuming. So I personally suggest you to use the previous method or first method of remove.bz to remove the background of this kind of photo. And please make sure that you subscribe the channel. Finally guys, as you have seen both method 1 and method 2 of removing background of any photo in just one click. So if you like the video, then please make sure that you subscribe the channel for more videos like this in the future and click that bell icon. And until then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.